Did you know your Samsung phone has hidden secret codes that can unlock powerful feature most people never use? Today, I will show you some secret Samsung codes you absolutely need to try. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. General test code. Code star hash 0 star hash. This opens the hardware diagnostic menu where you can test touch screen, display colors, red, green, blue, speakers, vibration, sensors, cameras. Perfect for checking if your phone hardware is working properly before buying a used device. Check IMEI number, code star hash 06 hash. Instantly show your phone's IMEI number. You will need this when checking warranty, unlocking your device, reporting a lost phone. Software and firmware info. Code star hash 1234 hash. PDA version, CSC version, firmware details, grid or checking software updates. Advanced service mode. Code star hash 0011 hash. Opens service mode where you can check network signal details, see LTE or 5G band information, monitor SIM status. Don't change settings unless you know what you are doing. Camera firmware info. Code star hash 34971539 hash. Shows camera firmware version. Camera hardware info. Factory reset. Use with caution. Code star 2767 star 3855 hash. Warning: this will completely erase your phone without confirmation. Only use it if absolutely necessary. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.